You may have seen me mention the bots that I've been using. I just wanted to give you a little show of what's going on with this. This is for crypto trading, and this is if you want to do some passive trading without having to actually pick and choose what you want to trade. It's called Three Commas. It was recommended to me by somebody else, and I was like, "Oh, I'll give it a go. Let's try it out." I want to make money while I sleep like everybody else. You see them all over Twitter making money while they sleep. Let's do this. So then I went ahead and signed up. It's completely free. There are options for subscriptions, and I'll show those in a minute, but I don't have a subscription. I have not pulled that trigger yet just because I'm cheap. I'm real cheap, but I love this platform. Basically, you marry it up with whatever your crypto trading. I use Binance, so I married it up with Binance, so they're tethered to Binance, and it makes trades on your behalf with your platform. So, like it places the trade, it sells out the trade, and it's without you even having to do anything. That's one of the option. It's called the DCA bots. They have grid bots, DCA bots. So, you really don't need to know what you're doing pretty much when you do this, which is why I like it so much. Because when I started, I just was like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna sign up and see what's going on. And then after I signed up, I was like, okay, let's take a look around. So this is my dashboard with all my current trades and everything like that. So it pulls in everything you currently have invested in Binance. Um, and then it'll tell you exactly how well you're doing, on your Binance trades and everything. So the very first thing I did was I took a look at the trading bots, and you can see them here. I have a DCA bot running right now, and for free, they give you one bot for the DCA, one bot for the grid, and then one options bot. But since I live in America, that's the one that I can't use because Dribbit isn't an option for me. So maybe in the future, if I doubt we become more liberal, I don't know. But when it comes to crypto. So right now we're looking at a DCA bot that I have set up here. It's a pretty simple thing. I just turned it on. I made a couple tweaks, like I upped my active deals to 5. In order for this to work, I think you need like $1,300 in your Binance account that is not like invested. So it has to be in cash. And then you just tether it up to it and then you let it run. So I just want to show you how it's been doing so far. It's been running for like a week, I think. And right now, see, I have my one of three bots active. That's because they give you one of each. And then, or no, I take that back. I started three different bots, and you can only have one active for free. So for this bot, so far I've made $75, which is pretty darn good for not have it. I mean, it basically skims off the top, so it does like 2%, 2.5% profits, and it just takes profit and then it's out. So I really like it. I mean, I make money while I sleep. Next, thing that I also really enjoy doing are the smart trades. Now, this isn't a bot. It is you selecting what you want to trade on, how you want to go into the market, and how you want to come out of the market with those smart trades. And I really like those as well. When it comes to smart trades, I'm doing better than the bot. See that? $253 as opposed to the bot, which is at 75. And that's only like 5 trades. And I've been really trading like Neo, because I see a trend with Neo. It's dropping to like $52 and it's bumping up to like $68. So I just buy at 52, sell at 58 because I'm not greedy. I'm just doing my little here and there on the smart trades. The next one is the grid bot. And with the grid bot, I have this Zen. GridBot running because it seemed like a pretty good sideways mover where it buy, sell, 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 and it does everything automatically. So and then it takes the money off the top. So it's a pretty good little, I'm doing free version. If I was doing the paid version, I would definitely have like four bots running, collecting money, just because why not? So I just wanted to show you the plans. Like as I said, for $0, you get one DCA bot, one smart trade at a time. So I just do one trade in and out per day. And then you get one grid bot and one options bot, which I mentioned I can't use because of where I live. But I mean, it's nice to be able to have. So you can do a simple buy and sell using that, but I don't use that because if I'm going to simple buy and sell, I might as well go ahead and just log into my Binance and buy and sell. Um, and it says here one BitMEX. I haven't made it that far yet. Well, this is just the beginner's thing for me, and I'm just getting in. So I'm very happy with it. It's pretty simple. And, like on my lunch break, I always just look in there and I pull up my smart trade window and I place my smart trade. I make like $50 on my lunch break, because I don't do big amounts. I'm not rich. Hello. I do a little amounts and I set my trades and then I'm out, in and out and it's done. So I really like this platform. It lets you do trailing buys, which means you can say, I want to buy this item and it'll wait for the price to drop, finish dropping, and then it'll buy. And you can do trailing sales. So as you're increasing, like if you place a bet and it's increasing, and you hit your target, it won't sell at your target. I mean, yeah, it won't sell at your target. It'll wait for the market to stop fluctuating if it goes up. So if I set my take profit at like let's say 5%, but the market shoots up, it'll take it at 7 or 8%. It won't just cut you out of your trade, which is awesome. That's what I love the most about Three Commas is the trailing buy and the trailing sales. So if you want to test it out, all you need is a Binance account. There are other trading platforms that you can also use, but I'm not into that. I mean, I don't do that. So it's a great free program. If you want to go ahead and get the subscription, you can, but I would recommend starting out with the free one. If you decide you like the bots and the smart trades, then you can purchase the program. I might end up doing it, but you know, I don't know. It is what it is. Well, thank you guys for taking a look. I recommend Three Commas. It's a really good program.